Dear students of class 9, welcome to our online class. Look at the picture on the computer screen. What do you see in the picture? You see some people are returning home. Maybe they live outside their home. So occasionally these people rush to their native village, and we are watching the picture. What do you mean? People returning home or their native village or their native area? Kinds of occasion. আমরা দেখি বিভিন্ন উপলক্ষে যারা বাইরে বাস করে এরা বিভিন্ন উপলক্ষে তাদের নিজ গ্রাম বা নিজ এলাকার দিকে ছুটে যায়। So our today's topic is, can you imagine what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is Return to the Native, Unit 12, Lesson 3. Open your textbook. Learning outcome. What do you see in the picture? Who are they? Do you know them? The first one is, the second one, the third one. Who composed sonnet among them? In our previous slide, we have seen the pictures of three renowned figures. Among them, this is the picture of a person who wrote sonnet. Let us know something about Michael Madhusudan Datta in a video. Unfortunately, the video is not available, so we will try to discuss about Michael Madhusudan Datta depending on these pictures. Raj Narayan Datta. He is the father of Michael Madhusudan Datta. Jahanava Devi, mother of Michael Madhusudan. Was born in Shagordari, Keshopur, Jeshore, on the bank of Kopthakku River. He was born in a sophisticated Hindu family. He took Christianity to Pope Diltree on the 13th February 1843. Pope Diltree named him Michael, and he received the title Michael before his name. He breathed his last on 27 June 1873, 3 days after the death of Henrietta. The wife of Michael Madhusudan Datta. Now, dear students, this is a part of text of your main book. I believe that I was born on the wrong side of the planet. and that my society is unable to appreciate my intellect, the West should be more receptive to my genius. This is the inner voice of Michael Madhusudan Datta, his inner thinking. Was an ardent follower. Michael Madhusudan Datta was an ardent follower of English poet Lord Byron. Actually, he was inspired by the writing of Lord Byron. And from the very early age, Michael Madhusudan Datta wanted to be an English informant manner. Actually, Michael Madhusudan Datta was not satisfied with his present position. So he wanted to be an English and wanted to compose his literary items entirely in English. After adapting Christianity, Michael went to Europe, that is France, and he tried to settle there. This is the city, Versailles city of France, where he lived. The poet lived in this city and composed his poetry and drama almost entirely in English. No one accepted him and he failed to gain the right appreciation. When Michael Madhusudan Datta composed his literary items entirely in English, but the English did not accept his writing. They treated him as a sojourner. So he failed to gain the right appreciation. To his utter frustration, he found that he was not esteemed as a native writer of English literature. Actually, his literary works are not appreciated by the English critics. So he became frustrated, and out of his frustration, he composed the famous poem Kapotaksha Nod. This is the picture of the river Kapotaksha Nod. And Michael Madhusudan Datta spent most of his childhood on the bank of this river. So this river is a part of his life, and he remembered the contribution of his river living abroad. This is the famous poem of Michael Madhusudan Datta, and this poem is a tribute of Michael Madhusudan Datta to the Kapotaksha river. This poem earned him huge reputation in Bangla. Gradually, he could realize that his true identity lay in Bengal, and he was a sojourner in Europe. Afterwards, he regretted his frustration for English and the West. Actually, this poem is a sonnet. Dear students, do you know what is sonnet? Sonnet is a special kind of poem which contains 14 lines, 14 verses, and each verse contains 14 letters. This is sonnet. And in Bengali literature, Michael Madhusudan Datta was the founder of sonnet. Michael Madhusudan Datta is the writer who wrote the first Bengali epic, Meghnad Bhatt Kabya. This is the first Bengali epic. in Bengali literature. So Michael Madhusudan Datta is called Mohakobi or the great poet. যারা মহাকাব্য রচনা করে তাদেরকে মহাকবি বলা হয়। আর মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত প্রথম বাংলায় মহাকাব্য লিখছেন মেঘনাদ বধ। For this reason he is called the great poet. Michael Madhusudan Datta, at last he returned to his native. When Michael Madhusudan Datta realized his mistake, that his true identity lies in Bengal, not in Europe or any other foreign country, and he finds his true identity in Bengali literature, so he decided to return to his roots. At last he returned to his native country, that is Bengal. Now let us know the keywords or new words to understand the topic clearly. Before going through the text, I would like to suggest you to see the meaning of some difficult word or unknown words. Actually, without vocabulary, you cannot understand the text clearly. So, this is my vocabulary presentation for you. Dramatist. Dramatist. Can anyone say what is dramatist? Dramatist is the writer or person who writes drama or playwright. Michael Madhusudan Datta was a Bengali poet and dramatist. Aspired. Can anyone tell what aspired means? Aspired. Aspire মানে হচ্ছে আকাঙ্ক্ষা করা। দত্ত aspired to be an Englishman in form and manner. দত্ত একজন ইংরেজ হওয়ার আকাঙ্ক্ষা করেছিলেন। Sophisticated. Sophisticated, রক্ষণশীল। Sophisticated. Datta was born in a sophisticated Hindu family. Sophisticated means it is complicated or rigid. Actually, his family was a rigid Hindu family because the family members follow the rules of religion very strictly. So it is called sophisticated family or rigid family. Exposure. Exposure means express, মানে প্রকাশ, অভিব্যক্তি প্রকাশ করা. His early exposure to English inspired him to be an English writer. Adolescence. কৈশোর. Actually, the age between 13 to 19 is called adolescence. Human physical growth changes much in adolescent period. These all are adolescent and their age is between 13 to 19. They are also called teenagers. Adolescence means teenage. Appreciate, প্রশংসা করা. Appreciate. Praise. The synonym of appreciate is praise. We should appreciate others' success. Receptive. Able to receive. গ্রহণেচ্ছুক. They are receptive. A good deed is always receptive to all. গ্রহণযোগ্য. Sojourner. Sojourner means alien. ভিনদেশী, ভিনগ্রহী বা বহিরাগত. Dan Mojina and the others in the picture are the sojourners in Bangladesh. Actually, he was the ambassador of America and he was a sojourner in our country. Now, dear students, work in pairs and decide how the story of Michael is related to the unit theme roots. এখানে আমরা যেটা দেখি মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্তের এই গল্পটা রুটের সাথে কিভাবে সম্পর্কযুক্ত। Actually, root means the source or the full of heart. So Michael Madhusudan Datta at last realized his mistake and feel the full of roots. Though in his early age he was careless about his homeland, but after a time he became frustrated when the English did not accept his literature. Then he realized his mistake and he returned to his native country. So it is also called return to the root or return to the native. He introduced Omitrakhar Chanda blank verse in Bengali literature. So read some more information on Michael, make questions for those statements. Here are some information. Michael passed most of his European days in Versailles, Europe. His days in Europe were terrible. It was unbearable to him as he had to suffer extreme poverty. At last stage of his life, he fell to debt and he was in short of money. So he suffered a lot from poverty and starvation. It was Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar who helped him to clear off his loan and return to India. Datta married twice. While living in Madras, he married Rebecca McTavish of descent. Later, he married Annunciata Sophia White, who was also ethnic English. His second marriage lasted until the end of his life. Michael and Sophia had a son and daughter, Shormistha. Datta died in Calcutta General Hospital on 27 June 1873, 3 days after the death of Henrietta. Now, dear students, write notes about Michael under the following headlines. One example is given for you. Michael as a man, Michael as a poet, attitude of his roots. As a poet, he was popular in the 19th century, poet and dramatist. And Michael as a man, he was very ambitious. He was very talented or meritorious. And attitude to his roots. At last, he realized his mistake. So we think that he felt the full of roots at last. So I like to stop here. That's all for today. Wish you the best of luck. See you in our next class. Stay home, stay safe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.